Create a 7 inches borderline and connect with a straight line. Draft the bodice block using the link showing the process in the description box below. Extend the neck width by 1 inch. Mark the top length as 22 inches. From the neck width, connect to 22 inches as shown. Extend the chest line to the new line. Go up and down by 0.25 inch. Connect from the bust point to the dart opening. The dart will be closed. Go out by 1 inch on the chest line and by 4 inches on the shoulder line. Connect a new armhole line as shown. Make a curve from the chest line extension into the side lines. Measure the length from shoulder tip to chest line. Place same at the armhole area and withdraw the shoulder line and the armhole line. Cut out the pattern. Cut through the waist dart. Close the overlap dart. Continue cutting the pattern. Transfer pattern to fabric. Add 0.5 inch on the dart line and on all other areas of the pattern. While cutting out the fabric, stop 0.5 inch before the main bust point. For the back block, place a fabric wide enough to contain the pattern paper. Place the center line of the pattern paper on fold. Straighten the shoulder line. Come down by 1.5 inches for the back neck depth. Cut out the back bodice, adding 0.5 inch on all areas of the pattern paper. The sleeve length is 28 inches. The armhole is 10 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance. The fabric is on 4 folds. The width at the hem is 20 inches. Go up by 3 inches to create a curve as shown. Connect from the armhole to the hem. You can curve to create fullness. Ensure the upper area has a 1.5 inch straight line as shown. Cut out the sleeve. The hem will be scrunched with an elastic band. To the sewing machine, take out the pattern paper. Place right sides together to sew both darts by 0.5 inch. With that done, come in with the front pieces. Sew the darts of both sides by 0.5 inch. Place the front pieces in position. Lay the right side of the back piece over it. Sew the shoulder line by 0.5 inch and flip to the right sides. The next step will be to sew the sides. Here is the lining piece already coupled, the darts and the sides sewn. At the side, a 2 inches gap is left for the belt to pass through. Now to the main fabric, go up by 1 inch from the hem, leaving a 2 inches gap and sew the 1 inch line. Jump over the 2 inches gap, starting with a back stitch. Sew by 0.5 inch to the armhole. See the space for the belt. Sew the other side by 0.5 inch all the way down. Lay right sides of the lining on the right side of the main fabric. Match up the shoulders. Sew by 0.5 inch from one shoulder through the neckline on the overlap line. Place the prepared belt 0.5 inch above the hem as shown. Sew all the way to the hem. Notch along the seam line. Sew from the shoulder line and on reaching the end of the overlap line, place the belt in the same way and sew to the hem. Sew the hem of the top by 0.5 inch from one center front to the other. Ensure to get the belt out of the way as you do so. Notch, snip the corners. Turn inside out from the armhole. Arrange the armhole edges, lining and fabric. Overlock round to fix the sleeve. The elastic for the sleeve is 9 inches lengthwise. Fold the hem of the sleeve by 0.75 inch. Ensure to overlock the raw edges before folding. With a safety pin, Pass the elastic through the channel. Lock one end of the channel, continue passing the elastic to the other end, then place the sleeve on fold, right sides together. Sew from the hem to the armhole by 0.5 inch. Turn the sleeve inside out. Match the side seam of the sleeve with that of the top. Turn the sleeve's armhole to align it in position. Sew round like a circle by 0.5 inch. With one sleeve done, repeat same process in attaching the other sleeve. The top is 98% done. Elastic inserted, belt in position. Lastly, top stitch around the corners of the belt hole to keep it in place. Pass through the belt, and here's how the belt will be knotted. 100% done. This project is complete. If this tutorial was helpful, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye.